Well, hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download video from YouTube. First you need to open your browser, and the link to this website I'm gonna leave in the description of this video, so you can all go to the description. By clicking on that link you're gonna be directly redirected to this website. Go to YouTube. Let's say this is the video that we want to download from YouTube. Go here, right click, copy this URL and go back to this website, and in this search panel just paste the link. Now we can choose quality format. The format will be MP4, but the quality can be 360, 480, 720. So let's say that we want to download, for example, just fast this one. Go to convert, and now we can download it. Click on download, and now we can check in which directory, which folder we want to save that video. Let's say we're gonna go in video and video. We're gonna name that video, and let's save it. And now we're gonna open that video just to check out if that works. So perfect, that works very fine, very well. So now you learn how you can download music and video from YouTube. Here on this website you can also download MP3 files, music, or you can download the entire video if you want. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.